uncover the hidden, mastering, sniff something out. Hello, and welcome to today's English learning journey. In this video, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Today's focus is on the phrase, sniff something out. This phrase is not only vivid in its imagery but also incredibly useful in everyday English conversation. Let's unpack its meaning, usage, and dive into some examples to help you master it. Stay tuned. Sniff something out is an idiom that draws from the literal action of using one's sense of smell to find something. However, when we use this phrase in conversation, it's less about the actual smell and more about finding or discovering something that's not easily noticeable. It can be used in various contexts, from uncovering facts to detecting hidden details. Interestingly, this phrase has its roots in the natural world. Animals, especially dogs, have a keen sense of smell and are often used to find things hidden from the human eye. When we say someone can sniff something out, we're comparing their ability to discover or detect something to that of a dog's sense of smell. This metaphor highlights skill, intuition, and the ability to uncover the truth. Using sniff something out correctly can add a layer of richness to your English conversations. Here are a few examples to illustrate its use. Detecting lies or deception. She has a knack for sniffing out lies. You can't hide anything from her. Finding information. Our research team is excellent at sniffing out hard-to-find data for our projects. Discovering opportunities. He's always able to sniff out new business opportunities before anyone else. Notice how the phrase can be adapted to various scenarios, emphasizing the act of discovering or uncovering something hidden or not immediately apparent. To help you master, sniff something out, try creating sentences using this phrase in different contexts. Think about situations at work, school, or in personal life where this phrase could apply. Practicing with real-life scenarios will help solidify your understanding and ability to use it naturally in conversation. Congratulations on adding sniff something out to your English idiomatic repertoire. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning, origins, and use of this colorful phrase. Remember, the beauty of language learning lies in discovering the nuanced ways we express ideas. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to sniff out more learning opportunities on our channel. Until next time, happy learning!